Welcome WordPress technology to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Step-by-step guide for beginners on how to create a product slider. Step 1. Create the product slider. Open the cPanel dashboard to show my WordPress cPanel dashboard. First, open the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard. Click Pages to display all your pages, then locate the home page and click Edit with Elementor. Step 2. Add the slider to the page. Once the home page is open in Elementor, scroll down to the section where you want to add the slider. Create a new container by clicking Add Section. Then, search for Product in the widget search bar. You'll see the product single add-in widget. Drag it into the container. The product slider will appear. Now, you can customize the slider. Click on the slider, and you'll see the first content settings. Select the product category to choose which products will appear in the slider. Choose from the available options to customize how the products are shown in the slider. Go to the slider settings and locate the slider controls options. To remove the dots, select None under the controls. Now, set the number of rows to 2. Which will display 2 rows in the slider. Then, set the number of columns to 5, displaying 5 products per row. Next, customize the slider's design. Go to the Style tab. Set the border type to None. Adjust the box spacing and padding. Spacing set. Padding set. Box content setting. Set the box shadow color. Product title customize. And font style. Different settings for fonts. Product name color. The color to black. For product price, select the price text and choose Arial as the font style. The color to black. Set the price color. And customize the size. For sale price, do the same. Set Arial as the font style. If you don't need ratings, leave the ratings section disabled. Next, customize the Add to Cart settings. Enable the preview option so the Add to Cart button is displayed. Enable the Add to Cart icon to show the icon. Set the font size, padding, border color. Change the button's text color. And customize the button's background and hover colors. The button's text color is white. Set the hover color to white and the text color to black. Now, adjust the row spacing and container space to ensure the slider looks well organized. Click on the container settings to add, and navigate to the advanced settings. Bottom spacing. And click the Add to Cart button to ensure it works. The product has been added to the cart. Once you're happy with the layout, click Publish to update the page. Step 3. View the published slider. Visit your website to see the beautiful, fully styled slider in action. To make further adjustments, you can modify the container width by selecting full width in the container options. After making any changes, click Publish again and refresh your home page to see the updates. Step 4. Adjust cart settings. Go back to the product slider settings, navigate to the cart settings and disable the preview Add to Cart option. Once done, click the Publish button again to save your changes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video.
WordPress technology. Thank you for watching.